Hello guys, and welcome to this guide to installing Windows 10. For this you're going to need a 16 gig thumb drive to back up your existing operating system just in case of errors and you have to reinstall it. You're also going to need a hard drive, external hard drive, to back up your files and data. First thing to do is to check your computer and make sure that it's a 64-bit processor that you've got in there, and at least 2 gig of RAM to make this thing work. Windows 10 is a 64-bit operating system. If you've been running Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, you should be okay. Okay, so you need to click on the link above to get to the registration page. Fill in these little things here. Please select the areas of interest and accept the terms and conditions. Of course you have to read them first, and then just submit that, and that will take you to the download page. Select for PC. And it really is worth your while to read this, because if you're not feeling confident about it, don't suggest you do it. But if you're feeling that you can handle it, just go for it. But take your time, it's up to you. Okay, once you've decided you're going to go for it, you press the preview button, it takes you here. Next, create your USB recovery drive on your USB stick. Next, you have the choice to start the upgrade now or download the ISO files. Download the ISO files because you're going to need them. Scroll down and pick up the product key, which is there. Once you've downloaded the ISO file, plug in your external hard drive and go to file history and back up your files data, including the ISO file. Check that they've all been backed up properly by testing a few files out, just like I am here, and then you can start your upgrade now and say goodbye to Windows 8. The installation process took over 6 hours, so only do this when you've got plenty of time to spend on it, because it does take a long time. Obviously if you've got a faster internet connection that would help, but the installation process itself is very, very long, and you need to take time and do it right. Okay, so finally the computer will start several times, restart, reboot as the installation goes on, but eventually you'll finish the installation and you'll end up with a screen that looks like this. On the left hand side you can see the start bar has returned, start menu has returned, and you've also got the tiles from Windows 8 and 8.1. On the taskbar at the bottom you can see that you've got search. You can search in the taskbar, and you can pin various programs to your taskbar as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's working pretty well. There's a few issues, but it's working much better than Windows 8. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and see you next time. Bye now.